I guess in this video I'm going to discuss about how to import Oracle database tables inside MongoDB. So at here say I'm using Oracle SQL Developer, and here I'm going to import to tables department. So this the contents inside at your departments table. Now here after let's go to MongoDB. So at here you get to, so at here I'm using Studio 3T for MongoDB. So at here you get import option. So if you click there, hereafter SQL database. Now hereafter click on OK. So at here connect to. So here click on new connection. So at this point you have to select at here Oracle. So if you are using Oracle database 11c, you can select this option, and here Oracle database 12c for higher you could select this option. So selecting this, and you have to host, that is local host, and here user. So at here whatever user you have selected at here you can give. So HR is my username, and here HR, and give the password. So that is HR, and here give the service name, that is over there. So if you are using Oracle or 11G, you have to give overseer. For 10x you have to give XE. Now click on test connection. Now hereafter click on configure. So add here JDBC ODO JDBC 8 jar file that is required. So here if in your system JDBC is there, so directly you can select. So here if you don't have, then go to the oracle.com. From there you can download. After that you can import any tables inside MongoDB. So I'm not going to select because the file size is too bulky. So at here the next option is, so the next option I'm going to show you the other alternate option. So at here the alternate option is here this the table department. Now hereafter click at right click, hereafter click on export. Now here you can find at here insert. So I'm going to select at here CSV format. So with the name of at here, so going to save inside desktop with the name export.csv. Now hereafter click on next, and hereafter click on finish. So there is one file that is exported with the name export.csv. Now hereafter this file going to import there. So again we need to click at here import. So this time going to select at here CSV. Now click on OK. So here import from the CSV file. Yes, click there, and here this is the file that I'm going to import. So at here the file type CSV. Now the next is here target option. So Adam is my database, and here let's give target collection name. So at here giving department. So department is my target collection. Now hereafter let's click on execute. So at here it's executed. Now hereafter go to share, and here you can find departments. It's come there. Now hereafter let's check the document inside department. So db dot here let's write departments. Departments hereafter going to use find. Now to execute this query, so see at here whatever the contents inside, so you can compare the contents. So whatever the contents inside Oracle or database table, so it comes inside MongoDB. So this is the alternate way. Here you should use this option also here. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.